Hey guys, welcome to my channel with love from Jess, and today I'm going to teach you guys how I'm going to make some hibachi dinner at home with steak and shrimp. So here are some of the ingredients that you will need, and I have the list in the description box below. So you're going to need some soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, sugar. You're also going to need some oil to fry, zucchini, onions. You also need some lemon, shrimp, or whatever meat of your choice. I will be using steak and shrimp this time. You will also need some garlic. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression. You're going to also need some rice, and you can just use some leftover rice, but I went ahead and just cooked a new pot of rice here. So first things first, we're gonna prep all of our vegetables, and I'm just gonna start off by cutting this carrot here with the peeler. It just makes it so much prettier inside of the rice. Now we're just going to move on to our zucchini and cut them into slices. She's inappropriate the way she's approaching us. I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. You're going to go ahead and cut up your onions into small pieces and your red onions into larger pieces. Let your emotions fall on me. Open up. Alright, now let's get started. So you're going to put some butter in a bowl, and you're just going to go ahead and take some minced garlic and add it into your butter. I added about 3 spoons, and then you're just going to go ahead and give that a mix. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Now into the butter garlic mixture, I'm going to add in some soy sauce. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. And now I'm adding some lemon juice, and I'm using about 1/4 of a lemon. So I have my cast iron skillet with some oil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put my steak in there. And the pan is really hot, so that's what makes a great looking steak. You're gonna cook each side for about 4.5 minutes. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open. Now that my steak is nice and brown, I'm just going to let the steak cook on the edges, like so. Okay, so now that our steak is nice and done, we are just going to let it rest for about 10 minutes or so while we cook up our rice and everything else. So I have 4 eggs here that I'm going to give a whisk. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Once we're done with our eggs, we're gonna take some of the garlic butter mixture we made earlier and we're gonna saute our carrots and our onions, and then we're just gonna remove them and put them to the side.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball.
Now I'm just cooking the zucchini with the onions, and I cooked this for about 3 minutes and then I removed it and put it to the side.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
Using the same pot and the garlic butter from earlier, I just went ahead and added the rice along with about 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're just gonna mix that up with the garlic butter.
Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
So now I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And we're just gonna give it a mix here, and look how pretty it's already starting to look.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
So I just chopped up some of the green onions, and I'm just gonna go back in with all the carrots and onions we sauteed earlier, and also the eggs, and we're just gonna mix this in very, very well.
Open up, open up, open, open.
Now that our rice is done, I'm gonna go ahead and saute up some shrimp.
Butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke.
So our steak has been resting now for about 10 minutes. So I went ahead and cut it up into slices. Doesn't this look like the perfect medium rare steak? So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and keep cutting this up into the perfect bite-sized pieces. And then we're just gonna take some of the garlic butter and saute it for about a minute or so.
Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open.
Oh my god, guys, this steak smells amazing and it tastes amazing. So I really encourage you guys to try out my recipe and impress your boo. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe.